Hey everyone, Ragingskull here. Another episode of In the Truck Pickin'. And what I'm going to do tonight is I've done a video of one of these before, but never in the package. And I've never done it straight out of the package, but it's a Road Pro on-the-go living high security brass lock, 70mm. And down here it says resists hacksaws and bolt cutters and lifetime guarantee. How cool is that? But it's a sliding shackle, and what I'm going to do tonight is a straight out of the box pick. I don't know if you can see the bitting in the package or not, but this countertop that I'm working on shakes a lot, so I'm not going to cut it open right here. I'm going to have to take this off camera a little bit, but there's the knife. But let's see if I can do this without shaking too much. Oop, shake it. Let's close the blade. Now, don't know what that's all about, but oh well, garbage. I don't know if we can get a real good look at that, but turn off the light. See if I can do it this way. There's the bitting. Doesn't look too difficult. Now, I do know that it's not key retaining, but if it's left open, you can still take the key out, but it will not lock back up. So that's kind of a plus thing for the lock. Real heavy bastard. I'll make sure it's locked up there. Locked up here. And I think I originally first did a triple peak pagoda rake, and it fell under it pretty quickly. And I don't think I'm going to get that fast again on this one. Oh, there it is. Boom. Open. Lock back up. Just to show you guys. Yeah, let's see. What else am I going to try on it? Well, I'm going to switch. No, I'm not. That's the right one. Okay, I thought I had the .0501. It seems to be a real tight in this keyway here, but that's okay. There we go. I think I'm just going to go straight to single pin picking it this time. Start over. Yeah, this one seems to be a little bit harder to single pin pick. There we go. Well, didn't get it open far enough. Single pin picked. Okay, still locked up. Oh, well, I'm going to give it a quick shot and see if it'll fall under... Yep, since I've got it out, see if it'll fall under the city rake. Oop. And just as it flipped out of the lock, well, come on. I know you're open. There we go. Open under that. Lock back up again. And let's see. Fell under the city rake, fell under the pagoda rake. Now let's see if I can try the twin peak, see if I can give that a quick go. And, yep, it went under that. I'm going to show it one last time and show that's locked up. And I'm going to try little old snake rake. See if I can get it to fall under that. And yes, indeed. Done. And I don't know if I remember ever saying this, but this is a, if I remember right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-pin lock. No security pins that I could ever tell in this lock, but done one of these others before. I just never did it straight out of the package, and now here's the second one, 70mm rolled pro. I think this is a shutter bolt or shutter lock or roller bolt lock. Single pin picked and multiple different ways raked. All in one shot straight out of the package. Have a nice one all.